Yo, 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 what is up, my fallopian tubers? Cesario from the Vario coming back at you with another video for your butt, man. Today's like day 6 or something of my camping trip. It's the final day. We'll be leaving soon, and I have one more pack of Topps Chrome. See if any birds come. I'm gonna try to feed the birds. Alright, so we're gonna open up some packs. I'm trying to get the birds to come, but I don't see any coming. Let me get them. Alright, they're starting to come. So let's open up, what is it, 3 retail packs and a 2019 refractor cards. You want some more, birdies? So let's see what we get. Last day, man, I know it looks kind of dark for you guys. We got Dylan Bundy, so shiny. Andrelton Simmons, Tajon Walker, Carl Schwarber, but check out this one's that cool card. Man, is it hard for it to see? All right, now for the next pack. Let me feed these birds here. All right, let's get this pack going. Here comes a couple more friends, I think. So we got JD Martinez, Jose Abreu, Justin Sheffield, and Louisiana Jonathan. So nothing big. Oh, that guy caught it right in his mouth. All right, let's open up another pack. Oh, I think the word got out that there's food here. Feeding frenzy. So we got a Cedric Mullins, a Ray Nick Foley, a Tim Anderson, and a Trevor Story. Let me see if they eat the whole thing. All right, guys, last pack right here, 2019 bonus pink refractors. So let's see what we get in here. We got a security card, a Buster Posey, James Josh, we got a Robinson Cano, a DJ Stewart, and an Adams Chance rookie. I don't even know if you guys could see that. I can barely see that on my camera. Oh, this little birdie wants some food. Eat, birds, eat. So, love the hobby, people. Keep collecting baseball cards forever, ese. Ciao. And on my camping trip, had a blast. Love the hobby, people. Keep collecting baseball cards forever, ese. Ciao. Look at this motherfucker. This motherfucker's like, I'm hungry. There's a dog there. There's a hot dog bun there. I'm fucking hungry. I'm taking it. Fuck. Hope that dog doesn't attack. I'm getting this one. Got it, motherfucker. Yeah, that's right. I'm fucking eating. That's right. I'm fucking eating, bitches. Eating a fucking hot dog bread while you bitches are all scared. Oh, you got balls now too? You got balls now? Let's go. Let's get that bread, motherfucker. Oh, look at this guy. This guy's like, fuck that. I'm hungry. I saw that other motherfucker eat too. I'm gonna get myself some of that shit. Oh, man. Here comes all the fucking vultures. If I don't get it right now, I'm not gonna get one today at all. Oh my god, look at that little, ooh, this little guy. This little guy don't care. I'm eating. I'm always getting punked by these